you cause. Our pain is getting stronger, like an open wound without the gauze. It's on my brain, driving me insane. It's on my mind all of the time, and if it left I would be fine. All because I feel the pressure, it's coming down on me. It's turning me black and blue. Oh, why you left me on the side of the road? And I got no place to go. You brought the flood. I feel the pressure.